Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Facebook user ID and password. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome, and here you need to search for facebook.com, and then you need to click on forgotten password, and here you need to enter your mobile number. So I'm going to put my mobile number here, or you can search by your email address or name instead. So I'm going to search with my name. So let me search, click on search, and you need to select your account. So I'm going to select my account, and here you need to put your password, but if you not remember, you can click on try another way. And you have two options: send via code or enter password to login. So you simply need to click on no longer have access to these. Okay, and here you have two options. So you need to submit a ticket to Facebook as either your ID card or your passport, so that Facebook will verify that it is you, and after that you are able to log in your account. So this is a process by which you can recover your Facebook user ID and password. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.